Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off chat heads on messengers. So if you don't feel or if you feel the chat heads or chat bubble and on your a desktop on your screen, it annoys you when you are using other apps, you can turn off this feature. All you have to do is just scroll down, and this one, the chat hats, you can turn off. By default chat hat is on, so there are no more chat hats now. So when your friends chat you, there will be no just notification, but there is no chat hats on your screen, so you have to open manually the messenger. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.